I told you with just 5,000 naira, you can actually invest and make real money? In less than 4 months, I turned my 5,000 naira to 11,000 naira by investing in just one Nigerian company, Honeywell Flour Mills. I know it's not millions yet, but I started with what I had. This is how the rich keep getting richer, because imagine if you used 10 million naira for this investment. Imagine 5,000 naira investment giving me 6,000 naira profit in just 4 months, and then you use 10,000 naira. Imagine how much you could get. So if you've been scared, confused, or you're thinking that investing is only for rich people, then this video is for you. Let me show you exactly what I did with my 5,000 naira. Hi, my name is Disev. Welcome to my channel where we talk about money, mindset, and financial freedom in simple ways. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my very personal story of how I started investing with 5,000 naira. I made 6,000 naira profit in less than 4 months, doing absolutely nothing. And at the end of the video, I will share with you how much I bought the shares and how much it is selling in the market right now. So let's get started. Honeywell Mills manufactures and markets wheat-based products in Nigeria. Products varies from flour to noodles to pasta and many other products. They are in the food sector. When I saw the growth potential of this stock and how it was moving, I decided to try something different. So I was like, this 5,000 naira, instead of using it to buy shawarma, let me just invest it and see what happens. And boom, I made 6,000 naira profit in less than 6 months. It was so surprising. Like, that was actually my first time investing in the stock market, because I'm a beginner. I actually invest in mutual funds using Cowrywise, but then I said, okay, let me just try the stock market, and boom, and I was like, wow, okay, let's get going. So this is how I bought the shares. I used Afri Investor because I actually use other apps, but this particular one I used Afri Investor. I clicked on the invest button, then I saw a lot of stocks there, and I was like, oh, let me just look for the one I'm comfortable with. I saw Honeywell Flour, and I was like, let me go through their profile. I went through their profile and I went through the performance, their financial performance and everything, and I said, okay, I'm okay with this one. At least this one, they're in the food sector, so let me just buy it. I bought it for, like, you can see on the app, I bought it for 13 naira per share. And right now the stock is selling as high as 27 naira. So what if I used 1 million naira for this investment? Guy. So you can see how much I've made. This is 100 and something percent in returns in just how many months. So this is how people invest and people make money, just doing nothing. Just put your money there and allow your money to work for you. The lessons I've learned from this particular action that I took is that you actually do not need millions to start investing. Everything starts from small. Even those big trees, they were once a seedling before they grew up to become that big. Do you understand? So you don't need millions to start. Although you will feel the profit more if you have millions, but that shouldn't stop you. Do you understand? Another lesson I've learned from this is that time is your biggest asset. If you leave your money in the savings account, it barely grows. But when you just invest that small amount, it grows. It grows quietly. Yeah. It grows quietly. That 5,000 naira, that 10,000 naira that you want to use and buy shawarma. Even if you are doing it like once in a month, like 10,000 naira every month, or maybe 5,000 naira every week, do you know how much you will have in 1 year? Do you know how much you will make? That's how people are building wealth. See, if you want to wait till you have the millions, you wait, or you will really wait. Now that you can see stocks of 20 naira, there's no way you see stocks of 20 naira again. That stock would have grown to like 100 naira, 1,000 naira, even as high as 2,000 naira. So now is the best time to invest. Now is the best time to put your money to work. Do you understand? And if you're still in this video and asking if it is still safe for you to invest, what I will tell you is that there's no best time. I know that the stock market goes up and down, but one thing is that if you're patient and you learn what you're doing, you're going to win. And not just win like the big win, capital letter, like big win. You're going to win. Like, I didn't know everything. Even up till now, I'm still learning. But I'm glad I invested. See, you have to start small. As you're investing, you learn on the journey. You learn. Do you understand? Investment is all about risk. Risk it. Yes, what's come was it will reduce, but you've learned your lesson, and there's no way you will not learn something from there. Do you understand? Now that I've made the profit, I'm reinvesting it. Like, what am I even using the money for? So I'm reinvesting it. Let it give me more money. That's how people are making money. That's how money grows. Reinvest, and over time it will compound and grow very big. Do you understand? So I'm not touching it. I'm not touching that money. Instead, I'm buying more shares. I'm not just Honey Flow. I'm also buying other solid Nigerian company stocks. So let it grow. Let my money work for me. And I always say, you don't need the millions before you start investing. Just invest with the little one you had. Thank you for sticking to the end. If this video has inspired you, or maybe you've learned something new about investment through this video, then please like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be sharing more stories like this and more on how you can start investing. And if you want me to create a beginner friendly stock investment video, drop a comment, leave it in the comment section, and I will create a video right for you. Thank you. See you in the next video.